One of the most common questions I get is what documents inspectors ask for first during an audit. Hi, I'm Felicia Liu, your food safety consultant, helping food businesses understand and meet food safety requirements and pass their audit. Knowing this ahead of time can reduce stress and set the tone for the entire inspection. Inspectors usually start with documents that show you understand your process and control your risks. This often includes your food safety plan or preventive control program, recent monitoring records, sanitation logs, and training records. They are checking whether what is written matches what is actually happening on the floor. If these records are organized, current, and easy to explain, inspections usually go smoother. If they are missing or inconsistent, inspectors tend to look deeper. The takeaway is simple. Keep your core records accurate, current, and aligned with daily operations. We are happy to help you. Simply book a call with me using the link in the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.